All right. Okay, so I'll see you there, all right? I'll meet you there. Okay, perfect. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye. All right. Hey, everybody. My name's Carly Carson. Nice to see you again. Today, we're talking about stuff, all right? We're talking about stuff in my bag. This bag is old, and it's big, and I need something new and more feminine. What do we call a bag that's really feminine? We call it a purse. Practice that pronunciation. Purse. Purse. Not for boys, only for girls. And I'm gonna get the new purse that I bought today. Let's have a look. All right, here it is. This is the purse that I bought today. And as most girls are, I am admittedly a shopaholic. Are you at home? Boys, typically you don't shop as much as girls, but I just get such a good feeling after I buy something. So today, let's change all of the things I'm gonna need for my girls' night tonight into my new, what was the word? Purse, very good. All right, let's have a look. Okay, so the most important thing that I'm going to need so that I can meet up with my friends is my cell phone. In American English, we say cell phone. In British English, you can say mobile phone. So mobile or cell phone. Just remember the pronunciation of that C is cell phone, as if it were an S. All right, so I need this for sure. What else do I need? All right, I definitely need some makeup, right? Maquillaje in general is makeup. So this is a must. It is mascara. Mascara, all right? We use it, what do we use it for? We use it to lengthen. To lengthen is to make longer. To lengthen our eyelashes, all right? These are our eyelashes. We make them longer and we make them thicker. So this is a necessity. What else do we have? Continuing with the makeup a little bit, because I do wear a lot of makeup, this is eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. Sombra is shadow, all right? Practice that pronunciation. Eyeshadow, very good. And we put it on our eyelids. Good. Our eyelids, we use eyeshadow. This is purple, and it's my favorite color. So I'm going to wear this tonight. What else do we have? All right. Because Madrid is so dry, the climate is very dry. Clima, we say climate. The climate is so dry that I always have hand cream. You could say hand cream, or you could say hand lotion. Hand cream or hand lotion. I'm going to put a little bit on because my hands are dry already. And we're going to practice a verb that's very common when you have cream on your hands, to rub it in, right? We rub it in. Right now I'm rubbing it in and moisturizing my hands. So I need it for tonight, girls' night. We're out dancing, we're sweating, we're having fun, and I'm definitely going to need some hand cream to keep my skin nice and moist. All right. Admittedly, I'm a shopaholic as well, but I'm also a little bit of a clean freak. We say clean freak in English when you're really obsessed with being clean, clean freak. And this is hand sanitizer. It is to clean your hands really thoroughly when you don't have soap. And I've noticed that there isn't a lot of soap out in the bars, so I definitely need this tonight. What else do we need? I need this because I need to commute to Madrid. Commute is the travel time that you need from one place to another to commute. So this is my travel pass, my travel pass. All right, we need that because I don't live in Madrid. I live outside of Madrid. What else? This is always a nice touch when you're out at the bars. You're wearing makeup, you need to reapply, is to put on again, and this is brillo. How do we say that in English? We call it gloss with that G. Gloss, yeah? Gloss. It doesn't have color. If it had color, what would we call it? If this had color? Pintalabios, we call it. And it is called lipstick. Very good. Lipstick. All right, boys, I do understand that you're not going to be very interested in this vocabulary because you probably don't wear it. However, you can be giving gifts like this to your girls at home. So you should take a note of this. What else do we have? Here we have maquillaje. In Spanish is in general in English. We call this in English a compact. Compact. It has CT. Compact. And this, espejo, what is it? Good. We say mirror. Mirror. Practice that pronunciation because I often hear that mispronounced. Mirror, that very English R. Mirror, yeah? And we take our brush and we can apply it to our face. All right, so use this if your face is shiny, right? What else do we have? I have a couple things, but I'm not gonna need it because it's a girls' night. So my agenda, I don't need. What do we call these? Keys. Good, we call them keys. No Ks, all right? We call them keys, all right? So I have my keys so that I can get home and unlock my door. Keys, very good. Continue. We also have tissue, yeah? We have our tissues. When you're putting on all your makeup, you're out, again, it's hot, you're sweating, you need these in order to dab or to blot your face. So make sure to bring your tissue. All right, and the last thing, and the most important thing, is my money. This is a change purse, all right? This is a change purse, and I need it to pay for the drinks tonight. That's it, guys. Out with the old and in with the new.